Hi 5th grade violin players. This is a tutorial just for violin players because this song requires our E string. So violas, stay tuned for a new song for you. So violin players, this is a new fiddle song called Denman Island Chocolate Shop. And here's how it goes. And that's part one of this song. So we're gonna try some call and response. So start with 3 fingers high D and be my echo. D, A, A, C sharp, A, A, ready, and here we go. One more time, 3 fingers D. Then B, C sharp, D, A, go. Okay, let's try all of that. Listen first. D, A, C sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, A, ready, go. Good, one more time, 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Awesome, next part is G, D, D, F sharp, D, D, ready, and here we go. Okay, now we're going to walk up. 1, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3. Listen first. So it's like the D scale, but no open D at the beginning. So try this. 1 finger E. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, ready, 1 finger, go. Try it again, 1 finger, E. One more time, 1, go. Awesome, let's back it up to here. G, D, D, F sharp, D, D, 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 2, 3, G, here we go. Try it again, 3 fingers G, 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Walk up. Fabulous. Let's back it up to the beginning now. Listen to the whole beginning part. Okay, let's try it together. 3 fingers high D. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Next part sounds like this. So we're going to be using our E string. So before we play that, let's review our E string notes. So just like the alphabet, if you count up your A string, you've got A, B, C, D, then open E, F, G, A. And technically, we've got open E. First finger is called F sharp. Second finger is called G sharp. Third finger is called high A. So one more time. E, F, G, A. Okay? All right, so let's remember what that part sounds like that we're going to be learning. Listen one more time. Be my echo. 3 fingers high D. D, A, C sharp, A. Now B, C sharp, D, E, go. Good, try that one more time. 1 finger, B, C sharp, D, E, go. let's back it up to D, A, C sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, go! Okay, now on the E string we're going to play 1, 2, 3. So that's one finger, then a low 2, then 3. Try that. 1, 2, 3, ready, go! One more time, go! Then A, B, C sharp, D, D, go! Okay, let's try from our E string. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, D, go! So remember that's a low 2 on the E string. So 1, low 2, 3, A, B, C sharp, get ready, one more time, one finger, go! Okay, let's try from this part. Listen first. Open E, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that together. D, A, ready, and go. Open E, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, let's try to play the entire song. Part 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready. Here we go. Go! 3 fingers G. Walk up. Open E. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. G, ready, go. Open E, 1, 2. All right, happy practicing.